That's my TPs.
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, can you end the YouTube, please?
No, I just started. I'll end you.
Whoa. Ooh, edgy. Bruh, Andy, you know the lower wick in the morning? It's still there for me.
It is still there, but it's covered,
But it's
right?
only on
filled.
it's only on IC market and it's filled already.
Mm. You guys are looking for short? Good luck. That's where my TP is.
No, then all the more they are correct, right?
Huh?
Then they are correct, what?
I don't care. Maybe it's gonna hit their stop loss.
But then on the 1 hour it's a higher low, on the 4 hour it's a higher low. Even though 4 hours still open right now, but still.
It's higher lows
The
really.
the overall trend is still bullish.
Yeah.
So it could go up like further before sell off again.
Yeah. No, but the thing is, your TP won't be there, Andy, cause sell low buy high.
Oh yeah, so don't do it then. I'm gonna say, guys, what is drawdown?
Troll.
Ooh, look like you can manage to make a higher low.
Put it already. Can you see?
No?
I'm not broke, am I?
Oh, I see it now. Yeah.
Yeah, you can make a higher low, close back above the 61.
Let's see what happened, Aiden.
Now we did it. Is this guy awake?
Oh man, ouch.
What?
Oh, Aiden, he got hit at BE and the trade flew. This was when Mesa entered, I think.
F.
Damn.
We need F in chat for his
F in
entry.
chat. Okay, F in chat. Nah. F. Why you never put the F in the chat?
1, 2. I'm going on YouTube now. Wait.
Bruh, there's only one key you gotta find, bro.
Bro, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 tabs open. I feel like, oh.
Monster go to baby peeps. Agrees used to be on my stream, by the way.
Wait, which stream is it?
The other stream.
Oh, okay.
Someone replied me.
Yeah, they are replying you legitly. They are quite nice. Like, anytime you enter a trade and everything red, they reply, but what if my candles are all red?
Well, agrees go to baby pips. What? What is baby pips? Is he not getting older?
Now they all think that Master P is a god really, cause he keep calling winning trades.
I don't even know who that is.
Cause he's on the screen and he streamed the New York session when Raja was gone.
Oh, him.
Yeah. Confirm trolling. You very happy now.
Yeah.
His masterpiece, paper penis.
Bruh.
C trees of GG.
Alexi, shut up.
Bro, fuck off, man.
Language, man. I'm trying to monetize.
Honestly, man.
Mesa, go
Rude.
away. Mesa,
Rude.
go away.
Where's all my words? My chart. What the hell? What the hell?
Click or add them.
I think so.
Damn.
Look at Clico.
Oh wow, she's so happy. The feather duster is moving. Is it very cold?
Yeah, I don't like it, but it's fine.
Wow.
The
Wuss.
morning walk. I'm on YouTube already, Mesa.
Imagine
FYI.
being afraid of temperature.
Myself on.
Meow.
Myself, are you checking your entry?
No,
You're out at B.
no, I'm not.
Damn.
Mesa is a beast. That's a new name. Beast.
No.
Bista.
Beasta.
Bista. My sister.
Looking for a re-entry. If GJ can reach 150 for 74. Yeah, Aiden, this is my TP one. If you can reach this area. Because I'm still long bias on this based on the higher time frame, and I haven't locked my stop loss yet. Because based on this, the daily created, for me what I'm seeing is price came down, respected my 78. Daily created a higher low, price came down on the 1 hour earlier just now. Came down on the 1 hour, this was the 4 hour low, the previous 4 hour low, then it broke it. So I waited to see whether this candle would respect and make a higher low on this one here. Then I entered the trade. So overall, I'm still long biased on this. GJ, if you didn't catch this now, right? The only clean area now is this area here. If you miss this part here, unless you're taking impulse entries with the anticipation of London open volume, then this is your clean area. Yeah, this area. So if not, then you gotta wait for above retest, then you go up to the next high. Oh, London opened. So 1 hour also created higher lows, so you can just, it might come down to retest because this area here there is some form of support here at this point. So once price closes above it, you should be fine to continue to these highs.
Bro, why? Oh, okay.
Hmm?
Oh, no. Mesa's phone is giving me motion sickness. She keeps moving us around.
Vomit. Don't look at it then.
I was trying. Anyway.
Since when you have motion sickness?
I don't. I'm not you.
Wow, wow.
Well,
What time did I take that trade before the live? When I took it on the 1 hour when this candle flipped bullish. So half an hour before? 45 minutes before? $150, $152, $272. You're talking about this area, right, Eden? 150. Let's see. Yeah, this area here. I need to clear this area first. Which is also why I didn't lock the trade at BE yet. If this thing comes down, it might come to this area and test, so then you hit my BE. So that's why I'm leaving it with a bit of room to breathe first, because now it's London Open. And this started his trolling earlier.
Bruh, I thought I got put in the waiting room. I'm traumatized.
Nice one, Max. That means your entry was the same as mine. Nah, I think you put it below here, right? Below this candle low, the bullish candle, right? That was my original stop loss. So I had like conservative and aggressive stop. This is the aggressive one, but because I gave it a lot of time to flip for me, so I was like, okay, if this breaks, this one will break also. Then the trend is bearish already. Yeah, but this area just now was a bit tricky. This area, we were waiting for quite a while. No, Ram, the trend is bullish, but if this thing didn't hold, right? So if you look at the 4 hour, this area here, let me put on my... So this was the daily, this is the weekly low, and also the daily low. So if this thing doesn't hold this area, it will come down and break this. Then will become intraday bearish. But higher time frame is bullish, of course. Nothing can change that for the time being. What is my RR on this trade currently? 3.6. If it hits this high, if not, then it's 2 plus. But this is not my fixed TP. This is TP1. I'm trusting the higher time frame. The 4 hour looks quite nice. Alex, it's not risky if you know what you're looking for. It's a
Oh,
higher low. Why is it risky?
bro, I thought you called me. I was like, what? I didn't say anything.
No. Someone said that my trade is risky. I think because he is seeing this big bearish move down.
No. It's risky to you.
Please share why buying at the low in a downtrend.
What?
I think you answered yourself because it's at a low. And this is not a downtrend.
What?
My point of view. Look at this on the daily. Higher low. Yep. So for me, it's a higher low. I was waiting at this area to buy already. All I needed was for the candles to show me that they were respecting this low, and it was. This one I didn't buy this area because it was in Asia also. So this 4-hour low, I let the next 4-hour candle close for me, and then when it flipped and closed above this bullish, flipped and closed above this level, right, and closed bullish, creating a new higher 4-hour low. If you look at the 4-hour, this was clear buys for me. So that's why I'm TPing at this resistance first, and then wherever it goes after that. Yeah, Alex, if you think it's dangerous, right, then why don't you share what you see? I know people are thinking not to buy in this area because of this. So some people are probably like, oh, no trade range and whatever not. So they're not wanting to trade this area. But my thought process is daily created higher low. I trust the higher time frame. So that's my point of view. But now obviously it's too late to catch this entry. If you want to trade this, probably you're looking at this area here. Yeah, max. I'll take 50% off at the 4-hour resistance. But the 4-hour seller structure is not broken yet. Yeah, why don't you share where's your structure? Some people need this. Okay, I think I get what you're trying to say. Some people need this to be broken. It's a preference. But I can buy into this area, right? Because if, let's say, a lower high was to create, okay, assuming the candle that you saw was like this, so I'm going to erase this bullish candle. This is what you'll be seeing just now. That's why you think that the buys are like super risky. But the fact that this candle on Friday, I think it was Friday, it closed like this, rejected this area. And I had other confluences like my FIP area on the weekly also. This is a weekly 78.6 for me. So for me, in order for the trend to still be bullish, right, this area needs to hold 78.6. If it breaks below this, then yes, the trend is bearish. But it held above this. Daily candle also closed bullish above this. So for me, I only saw buys. I just need it to come down, feel the wick a little, and then flip bullish. That was my entry already. I'm not aiming this area now immediately, obviously, because there's a lot of junk we need to get through on the lower time frame. Yeah. I'm guessing the regulars took the longs. One hour sellers could not make higher low and daily close bullish. Yes, Heisenberg, you're correct. Does it make sense, Alex? Bias is bullish, but there's so many issues. Okay, if you want me to answer the way Raja will take the trade, he will not trade this range because he's very messy and this is a no trade range to him. He will wait till price breaks above this, then he'll enter. Break, then he'll enter aiming for these highs. He will not enter this range here. This is no trade range for Raja. So Ram, you're not wrong in staying out of the trade because that is like how you see your entries, right? But all I can say is if you do your top-down analysis, right, you'll know that overall trend is bullish, so you got that right. The next thing is the trend also created a higher low here on the daily, so you should technically be looking for buys as low as possible, not at a high. So the reason why you're having trouble finding the entry is because your range will close up as you hit this area here, this resistance. So buy low, don't buy high. Yeah, but I can explain it in two ways. One is the way Raja would enter and the way that I would enter. So hopefully it helps. Yeah, blue chip, I'm taking, this is a 4-hour resistance also. So this area I'm taking 50% off. But I am watching it because this area now, right, because overall, like what Alex said, yes, there is bearish pressure. So I'm not denying the fact that there is. These are still lower highs, lower lows, right? It could very well form a lower high here and come down. So that's why I'm taking some off here. So 127,946. Alex, are you looking at the correct pair? I think you're looking at, I don't know what pair you're looking at. Max, I'm at BE already. Because this is a 4 hour 78.6. Just to be careful. So if I can show you what I'm seeing. If price wants to continue coming down, what I'm seeing is this is the last line of defense. So if I can clear this, price will continue up. So I lock my stop loss at B in case it comes down. $151. For our structures is at 151. Let's see. Okay. If you're saying it's a risky buy, right? I think Monster already tried to explain. If you're saying that your sells are here, you won't sell it here anyway. Right? Anything below here, yes, is a sell. But wouldn't this be too low for you to sell? You would want it to come up first, as near to your sell area as possible before you sell it, right? So would you then not try to buy it here?
Who did explain that?
Huh? What?
Who explained? Oh, who explained?
What?
Who explained?
Huh? Bro, I cannot hear you. You're laughing. What?
Who did
Who
explain him?
Monster. Monster is secret guru. Yeah, but I am aware, obviously. I'm not going to take all the way, right? I have to watch as price break structure also. I can just target this, but it doesn't mean I'll hit also. Either way, I can only manage my trade now. But my job is to buy low, as to find the cheapest entry possible.
Hmm?
Before he could even do anything. Bruh. You held your breath for so long.
Yeah.
Safer
I'm
buy
doing that.
is to wait 151.076. Pull back and sell, you mean? Yeah, I get what you're saying. You want it to pull back to this area then sell, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's easier if you send the chart, I'm just guessing. But if you're trading this pullback, right? You want to sell here. From here to here is 100 pips. Why can I not buy?
Because I say so.
Like that's I'm not buying to go all the way to the top, don't get me wrong.
Oh.
So you just need to understand where's your TP area.
Well, who knows?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hmm?
Why are you buying an option?
Why am I buying now? Downtrend, you mean?
No, not option.
I think this guy is in drugs.
The coffee got to my head.
I think so.
Bro, I spilled some on my bed. I need to change the sheet.
Yeah, Alex, my chart might be different from yours, so you might be seeing something different from me, I don't know. But like, that's my explanation.
I think people just trade based on their expectation.
Mm. If a buy is to wait. Oh, you want to buy there? Oh, okay. Eh?
Wait, what?
Wait,
151.
what?
He wants to buy above here. Wow.
Where? Damn.
Bro, if you buy that, like, Prince Philip will wake up again and slap your face.
Damn.
What the fuck?
That's damn high, Alex.
Why do you keep saying half my name?
Shut up, Alexi.
Let's say Alex Lee.
We have
Okay,
Alexi.
I think it depends on what time frame you take your entries, Alex. I don't know what time frame you enter. This is damn high. This area here is very, very high. Like, if you look at price, right, structurally, there's a lot of areas where you can start to buy towards your break area. So, I don't know what is your entry time frame. I thought you would say buy above this. Even this area is tradable also. Yeah, I died eh. Even this area is tradable. Those people that trade like Raja method, they will take entry above here. They will go up here. That's 20 pips. Wait for the pullback. Below. Huh? I don't understand. Yeah, it depends on your entry time frame. I think that's the confusing thing now. But Aiden is right. Like, if it passes this area, I'll be looking to buy already. Let it take off the seller first, pull back, then I buy. But, okay. Seller doesn't only sit here. Right? If I look at the 1 hour, sellers, okay. If you traded short, where is your stop loss? Let's say on this latest area, you traded short, right? Stop loss above here. If I'm you want to come down to this area. So for me, when I see that you are having trouble coming down and I buy, my first aim is your stop loss. Then I'll take this first, and then I'll take this, and then I'll take this. Why do I need to wait until here then I buy? Here there's money already. Right? Or this is stop loss. I don't have to wait to this major area. Because all these are trades that people took as price broke, retest, broke, retest, broke, retest. So just different view. You think it's risky, but I think as long as you have your trade plan, follow your plan then. If you think this is risky, don't take it. Buy from above there then. Yeah, it's just different plan. Because as the thing is, I think what my Mr. Monster is trying to say, if price breaks this area, right? Okay, think about it logically. If there is a stop loss here and I'm buying, right? If I grab your stop loss, won't my buy fly again? And then as I reach this area, I grab even more stop loss, my buy will fly even higher. So after that, what makes you think that the thing will pull back? And pull back how far? And if it pulls back, your structure is here. Now your stop loss is like big AF. Right? Unless you use that the next structure, but you don't know what will happen here yet. But this area, I know what will happen. And this is what I see. I see price creating a daily higher low. That's my first point. So when I went into the daily, this is my thought process. Right? I see this. Daily previous low, daily higher low. Confluent with my 78 feet area. For price to hold to continue up. These two confluences for me to take longs already. So if you think it's risky, I think we have different plan. So to each their own. Yeah. I missed a few times also because I was waiting and I was thinking that it will come back and pull back for me. Then oh shit, never fly without me. I miss a lot of trades, really. Last week, this short here, right, I miss a lot. I thought there would be a pullback. GJ never came back for me.
Stop drinking.
Bro, my throat hurts like shit.
Did you eat
Lol.
shit?
Hurts
Did
AF.
you eat shit?
No,
She ate
didn't.
shit.
Don't have. You want give me?
Wow,
Oh,
scared.
okay. I'm going to go toilet now.
This might be a bounce on daily. Yeah. It could easily just fill this wick. Here. Fill the daily wick, make a lower high and come down. But for me, if it creates a lower high, right? Anything on this trade now, I am risk free. Because I got it low. So it's all probabilities, right? Like if I were to extend this and put it on the daily. If the daily wants, if this daily candle, see, let me clear away my feet. It filled this bottom wick. Now if it tries to fill the top wick, lower high, doesn't matter. I cannot lose on my trade anymore. So that's the point of trading, right? It's about probabilities. I don't know where this one will. I'm not expecting this to break. I don't know. But I can trade within this area. There's space for me. This wick is damn big. Look. This is easily 60 pips. If it makes a lower high. So my plan on this area here is, on this daily, if price doesn't break 650, then I can cut my trade. It doesn't matter. But I'll be riding this price action till this area at least. Because I'm bullish. I want it to go up. So this is my daily area that I need to break first. So I don't need this to break before I buy. I can buy into this. Wow, the snow damn heavy, Andy.
Say what?
Your snow is so heavy.
Yeah, it's not that heavy anymore.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, but it's all white now.
The floor?
Bro, it's outside the grass.
Yeah, I'm okay, fine. The ground. Bruh, so inner.
Yeah, my garden looks white now. Take picture of it. So white. Looks like your hair. Bro,
What is drawdown? Baby, don't stop me out. Don't stop me out. No more.
Well, he's singing out.
What is drawdown? How can she kick? How can she kick?
How can she kick?
ING. And are we gonna have a breakfast?
So,
NG, your son like to moan.
she can't hear you.
But I can message her.
Oh, I need to Berkan retest.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Now we are in the critical area we said earlier. We talked about earlier.
78, right?
The
Yeah.
4 hours lower high.
Yeah. That's why I BE already. I'm watching. If this hour closes rejection, I'll cut half. It's still a higher low. That's why I don't want to close the trade.
No. Is you secured some? Or not yet?
No, not yet. So I'm looking also.
I'm gonna hodl.
You gonna hodl? For me, I'm at BE now, so I can like slowly think. Yeah, because
I'm gonna
structurally it's like 1 hour is like higher lows. Why should I close? Other than the 78 that's in the way for the time being.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can stack in the next 4 hours. Like after the 4 hours closed.
Then it flips, right?
Yeah.
Because this is still the low area where you want to catch your buys. On the swing anyway. You're planning to swing it, right? Just the momentum died off a bit. That's why I'm struggling now to break the 78. Retest 150.05. The thing about this area right now, if you are waiting for the retest, right? For me, I'm waiting to take my profits on this trade because right now, so what Alex is saying is this thing is still lower highs. I see it. I'm not blind. I see it. But if price can break this area here, because this bearish trend on this latest 4-hour candle, if it breaks this, there's a higher chance it will break this resistance. So right now, because price rejected this, I'm waiting for the 1 hour to close. So if it rejects this, then I'll just cut half my profits. The rest, I'll let it see if it can respect and continue higher. Then I'll add on again. So I am not sure whether it will retest into 150.05 and stop there before continuing higher. It might not, because if it rejects the 78.6, right, it could come down to fill the daily wick. So Muhammad, I'm not sure. That's why now at this area here, I'm watching on the hour close. And 1 hour is higher low. Depends on how you look at it. Higher low. I don't know what you're looking at, but I see higher lows. Around 149, 902. $44X, I'll explain my entry. I think you weren't here just now. Okay. Basically, we can all agree the higher time frame trend is bullish, right? Who wants to fight me on this? This is definitely bullish. This one I cannot. If you're seeing bearish, then I'm gonna end my stream. This thing is bullish. So for me, the story started on the daily. But this area here, this is a higher low. So for me, all I was waiting for, right, at this current area here, this area here, I knew that before this candle formed, for me, I knew this wick, right, price needs to come down a little into it, tap. And then when it flips bullish, right, I know this low is holding already. So that was what I was waiting for today. So at the 4-hour close just now, it did this. Oops. Okay, it did this one. If we look at the 1 hour, this area was the 4-hour close in Asia. Then pre-London, this thing broke the low. So I waited first because I know that this whole area, all I want to do is buy. But I need to know whether this area is holding. So when this area broke the low, I waited for it to see how it closed. When it closed bullish, I was like, okay, this low is holding. Then when this thing flipped bullish, I had another confirmation that this thing is going up. Up to where? Possibly here. That's all. I only aim for this area first. I'm not being greedy. Yeah, that's all. Does that make sense? 44x. Direction from the daily, trend from daily. Then find out what you want to take action at this area based on the structure. Slow clap. Okay, throat pain. I don't want to say already. Next person that asks, go and rewind the stream. I say 3 times already. Double bottom. Double bottom. Oh, here. This one, right? On the 15 minute. Bruh. You just burp into the mic.
Wait, mommy. Oh,
Ew,
damn.
why did you do
Whoops. I'm sorry.
little
sorry.
little Mr. Piggy? Bruh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My bad. Sorry, guys. Sorry, you two people.
Right, shut up now.
Somebody, please.
Bruh, monetization. Bruh. Let me see. Oh, the question was about the high of the last bearish week. What's the price of that wick that you're looking at? And what time frame? This one? I don't think so, right? No, I wasn't worried about this one. Because to me, right, I'm trusting the higher time frame. Like this 4 hour. For me, for my long idea to be wrong, right, is when price breaks this. That's the first thing. This area cannot be broken. The next thing also is I did it. I analyzed from the bottom. So you look at this area, for price to continue up, the low cannot be broken. Correct? So this thing here, if we look here, right, when this 1 hour support closed, it was higher here. So what this indicates to me, buyers are stepping in. My job then is to buy as cheap as possible and to make sure that this low is holding. So this area here, right, this candle was very crucial for me. If it closed bearish, there is no trade for me, 100%. Yeah, but when this thing closed bullish at this area here, I wasn't worried about this already. Because it's telling me that the buyers are sitting here, waiting to push the price up. So even if you look at the 15 minute, right, because I think you watched the videos before. So if you look at the 15 minute, I'll put them side by side. Okay, look at this area here. The wick that you're concerned about is this, which is here, right? So if you want to buy, as long as you're buying somewhere in this area, you can TP here first. If you're worried about this, take some off here and go. That's why as long as you buy low enough, this area is not a concern. I can also take profits here. Your risk reward will still make sense. But if you buy above this, then you might have a problem. Because this area is holding a support 3 times. And every time price approaches this area, the bullish candle is always quite strong. It's engulfing. So it's signaling to me that the buyers are trying to hold this price point. Does it make sense?
Andy, none of your business.
Savage.
Double bottom.
Part of your fear was the volume of the 1 hour candle. Oh, 5. Yeah, I had to, like for me, right, I didn't want to take the earlier entry here because this timing, no volume. This entry, when I took it, right, it was 1 hour before London open. So volume plays a part. Time also plays a part. Yeah, you're welcome. Oops. Buying now is like gambling.
Really?
Well, I have my own confirmations, so I don't think it was a gamble.
Just because somebody bought now doesn't mean it's gambling.
Yeah.
It just means your mind is too close to understand.
Imagine you judge
perspective.
people. You judge someone in profit.
Imagine you think GG is in a downtrend.
Alexi,
We're taught to look at the higher time frame trend first, not the lower time frame, bro.
Yeah. Yep. I think gambling is if you trade without a stop loss or not knowing where your TP is. I
Or
know
not
where my
knowing what
trade
you're
is
doing.
wrong. Yeah, I know where my trade is wrong. Like if it doesn't break, so for me, gambling is when you have no trade management. That is gambling. But I had all my confirmations to take my trade here. If it doesn't meet your confirmations, Alex, it doesn't mean I am wrong. And neither am I saying that your entry at 151.076 is wrong. Just that to me, that is damn freaking high. I would buy towards the area. Yeah. But I never once said you're wrong, right? So, just different strategies, different plan. And I'm not saying that just because I'm in profits, I am right. Never once said that.
Why did Mesa call me?
No.
And she want to take you bath.
Please, I stink.
Yeah.
Euro CHF is a snail. It's the snailless of the snailless of the snailless. Huh? What?
No, nothing.
I'm not offended. I'm just saying that there's a very fine line between gambling. You know what's gambling? Gambling is when you go on Go on a Friday, the first Friday of the month, and you put like this and like this.
Wow.
This is gambling.
Why you indirect me?
This is
But
gambling to me.
send a chart lah.
Say it to my face.
So
bro.
then we can see your bias or your plan.
Yeah, it's easier because now I'm like guessing. I only know the price you tell me. I see on my chart based on my point of view. So if you want to give your point of view, if it's accompanied by a chart, it's a lot easier. Betfred. I don't even have access to Betfred, bro. So sad. So the 1 hour close, he rejected. 78.6 and he's losing momentum. So let's see how I want to manage this.
Hi, El. One, please.
Meow.
Bruh.
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 Wow. Oh, it's 9 AM.
Yeah. Hey, why my stop loss so high?
Oh, you're such a gambler.
I put my entry price wrong. Never adjust on Tradingview.
Let me look at gold. What did gold want to do? How are you feeling today, gold? Good talk, man.
Wait, what?
I'm talking to my wife.
No, who is NDB?
It's Martin. It's not Andy B, it's Andia.
Andia. Yeah, Gavin, that's a fair point. That's why we can only try to shift the probability slightly into our favor.
Hmm? Hmm?
1 hour
Why have I
close with...
been muted?
Oh, sorry, my hand slipped.
What, down your pants? Damn.
No, that's you. That's you, bruh.
Oh,
Yeah, I find the video again.
if you want.
1 hour close with small volume. If the resistance is created on the 15-minute above the last wick, I think it might be an entry opportunity with TP at 150.47. Where's your stop loss? Below this, I guess. You gotta measure your risk. Does it make sense? Like, if let's say you take an entry like this, I think it closes bullish, higher low. Yeah.
Commercial break.
Like this. Yeah, 44x, you need to measure to see if your risk reward is at least positive when you take the trade, because you are worried about this, right? So measure. If it's not positive, right, don't take the trade. Risk reward is king. Win rate is second. Risk reward
Wow.
can save your ass, even though your win rate
Sixes.
sucks.
Discrimination.
Why is it king? Why is it not queen?
King. Fine, first then. Sensitive.
L.
Oh,
Martin is the
six.
imposter.
Huh?
660.
What?
Martin is the imposter.
Maisa,
Yes.
someone asking for your love.
Okay, bye.
Ooh, my best friend.
No, it's not. Not that one.
Why is it mandatory and not mandatory? Why is it manipulate and not manipulate?
Music stop.
I'm gonna call this guy to ask him if he's awake one more time. He doesn't pick up. I'm going gym by myself.
Wow, I'm going gym by myself. No friends.
I don't have any friends.
Lonely.
Wow, we are not your friends. Okay, bye. Waiting room then. See you.
No.
No.
Oh,
See
block
you.
him. Block him.
I cannot kick. The last time I kicked, I couldn't bring him back.
Yeah, exactly. Don't bring him back.
Damn,
Damn,
he didn't pick up.
he's still sleeping.
Is he Lennon? Lennon? Is it the name? Lennon?
Bro, how do you know? Oh,
See?
cause my story. Yeah.
Because we are your friends and we observed.
Wow. Stalker.
We don't love
Such-
you anymore, Alexi.
Yeah, we don't care anymore.
Guys, I
Unfollow.
drank from the. I drank.
Did you
Wow.
before?
Wow. Wow. Not being my friends is one thing, but the unfollow, nah, that hurts.
But I never followed before.
Wow. You never followed, then I was like, hey, why you never follow me? And then you follow me, and now you unfollow me. Wow.
Yes.
What the I don't get it anymore.
I cleaned up my follows.
Wow. Man said she just called me dust. Damn.
No, virus.
Virus.
Wow. I infect her laptop. No, her phone. No, her Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do back today. Everyone is doing chest and triceps. I'll do back.
I'm gonna have a nap.
I'm going to blow up my back.
I want to be dreaming about throwdown.
But what
Alexi,
is
Can you go to
Huh?
the gym? Please? Are you
Yeah,
allowed? Oh,
they reopened
Oh,
today.
finally, the day you've been
Andy, what
waiting
about
for.
you?
I'm gonna have a nap.
Andy,
Okay, move your bum. Come on.
No, I want to keep my dead bot.
bro, I
want to
can't
keep
imagine. I can't imagine Andy with a dad, but this guy is too tall.
I want to
Metabolic,
keep my chest fat.
metabolic rate too high. Miss, is it cold outside?
Yeah, but now I think it got a bit better.
Damn, it's 1 degree outside. Shit.
It was
No,
-2 when I left.
it gets a bit better.
That's because Mace is in North. Well, she's in the Midlands, not North, but she's in North.
Better, mate.
Better.
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 You better brush your teeth.
Better.
I'll leave on this 15-minute close.
Just
Yeah.
go now.
Because- Wow,
Yeah, exactly.
okay.
Bye.
Okay.
See you.
Wow.
Alexi, your gym?
Nah, it's the gym. The gym is
No,
better
it's a
than Pure
gym.
Gym in my area. No, that's the name, you fucking...
What? What's the gym name?
It's literally,
gym.
it's just called the gym. It's just called the gym.
Like so flat.
Okay, I
Bruh.
want to make a gym brand. What should we call it? The gym. Perfect.
So creative.
I know, right?
Have you tried? I think it's called F45. Have you tried it?
Oh man, that's like a cult
What's
here.
that? What is that?
It's a
It's like a gym box, right?
no, it's not. No. F45 is like a series of workout in
is it-
45 minutes.
Oh, is it more like CrossFit or something?
Yes. Something like that.
Wait, so you do
It's-
different muscle groups in 45 minutes? Instead of just like 2?
Yeah.
What the fuck? Oh, so it's like you do like whole body, but you only go for like 3 days, kind of thing.
People go every day, man. Because it's only 45
Okay,
minutes.
that's fucking stupid.
But people there are like, they are like a community.
Woman influencers.
It's not good to work out your entire body every single day. Just fucking get tired. Actually, it depends on the intensity as well.
There's F45 in the UK.
I don't know.
Yeah, there is.
This
Damn.
is the first time I hear them. I don't want to go conventional gym, to be honest.
This one is not.
But I pull.
Yeah, F45 is expensive.
I want to go back to martial arts gym and start kicking bags and shit. But I pull.
Oh, is it expensive?
F45 expensive. For let me see. Okay, let's see the price in Singapore. Expensive compared to what I get.
Let me make sure I have my padlock, man.
Where is it? It's mostly girls, yeah, it's true. Where is the thing? Damn, where's the price?
Wait, it's mostly girls that go.
As in, girls like to go for this because it's like the majority of the
Social.
crowd girl, yeah.
The social aspect.
Mm-mm.
Is it? Yeah. Okay, I got my shoes, my water.
How much does your normal
shorts.
gym cost in the UK?
I pay my Pure Gym £40 a month.
It depends on the area.
£40 a month?
Yeah, it also
Wow.
depends
So
on
cheap.
the package because it's more expensive if you can go to any Pure Gym.
Yeah, and like if you put like if you buy the thing that lets you just go to like classes and stuff as well, it's more expensive.
This one, I remember my friend told me this thing is like close. It's like 140, 130 Sing, so that's about
How many pips is that?
$75, 75 pounds.
That's a lot of money, fucking hell.
Yeah, for a 45
Actually, no,
minutes session.
But then, for one.
No. I think they sell it in like package. 4 sessions. So 75 for 4, I think.
4 sessions?
Yeah, if I'm not wrong.
Quite expensive.
But still, it's expensive. Bro, there's
then,
like not much facilities inside.
But then, like David Lloyd and Virgin Active.
Oh, those are more expensive. Yeah.
There's this other one. It's like a green gym. They have like swimming pools and like bags, and they got the running thing inside as well.
That's
It's a nice gym, but it's damn expensive.
Equinox,
says. No, there's one more. Oh shit.
Bro, I pay my Pure Gym £40 a month, and I just go twice a month.
Wow. So
Pure as in the brand? Pure Fitness?
I don't know.
No, right?
Pure Gym. No, I don't know.
I don't think. Because the Pure brand in Singapore is damn expensive.
No, it's not a brand, I think.
Yeah, I don't think it's the same.
Is the logo purple? Or rather like this? Is the Pure like this?
Oh,
No,
this is
no.
the one in... I used this in Hong Kong.
Yeah, this one expensive.
Yeah, it does.
These are expensive.
Yeah, I saw this in Hong Kong. I think I went there once.
This looks like damn. This looks like wow, so irritating. This looks like shit, what's that brand? The purple color one. Oh, Anytime Fitness. Do you all have Anytime there?
Oh yeah, we have that here as well.
Yeah, this looks like the same concept.
We have anywhere.
It's just like a
Not Anytime.
what is it? What's the word? Discount gym, I think.
24 hours access, right?
Yeah. It's just like mainly resistance training and like running, cycling, cardio. Or if you want like swimming and other stuff, you have to go to another gym or go to a leisure center.
Yeah.
But then with leisure centers, they'll have pools and stuff, but their actual like gym areas isn't very good.
Yeah.
So I just go leisure center to swim.
I mean, Pure Gym is good enough for me. For beginner.
Or you don't even go.
I go, bro.
Okay.
Go today, Andy.
Like, if yesterday I ate Big Mac, then today I go to the gym.
Wow. So health, this one.
Bro, if you live healthy, you're gonna die anyway.
It's fine. I'll live longer. Don't worry.
What the fuck?
Don't worry, Andy. At your funeral at Ole Rose, I'll probably die next day.
Bro, you need to say something before you go.
I don't want to go to the gym anymore. Psych. Okay, I'm going to do pull-ups, rows. I'm not going to do deadlifts because my leg is fucked, so I'll do dorsal raises. And then I do abs for a bit and then go home.
Bro, why you go so early?
So I don't have to go later.
Fuck.
Get the toughest thing out of the way first.
To be honest, I want to fucking like wake up at 3 and go at 4 and then trade London, New York, and then do my coursework in the afternoon. But I can't wake up. I'm not built like Mesa yet. Bro, going to an empty gym is like the best thing ever. It's like you don't have to wait for any of the machines.
Yeah, that's the best part. The best time to go to the gym.
And that's why sometimes I go by myself as well, because when I go with my friend, I have to wait for his like set to be done, and then it might take a bit long, and then this guy might want to take pictures. I'm not trying to do all of that. I'll show you the gym when I go. Where's my skipping rope?
Oh, your gym doesn't have skipping rope.
I don't know. Actually, they have 2 TRX, you know, I think.
TRX is best
If I
friend.
remember right.
Yeah, I think most of the gym have it.
I don't know.
In the cardio section normally.
Bro, where the fuck is my rope? Oh, there's my rope. Okay. Okay. I will be back by maybe 11. Damn, nobody cares.
She's gonna lock the meeting.
Yeah. Leave now and I'll lock the meeting.
Yeah. Don't forget
Okay.
L, yeah?
I'm gonna bring my laptop.
Leave it open. Next thing we know in the news. Fire at gym.
I can even join on my phone. Gym have Wi-Fi.
Bro, just
But I
enjoy
don't
your
wanna-
gym session.
But I don't want to hear Andy's voice.
Okay, then you can go to the waiting room. It's quite quiet there.
How to enjoy a gym session. Hey yo.
Hmm?
She kicked him.
I heard him take a deep breath in. Let's see how long he can hold his breath.
Coffee.
Let's mute him when he comes in. Shit, where is... Eh?
Wow!
I thought you were going to moan.
Bro, she wants me to run out of breath. She wants me to die.
Yes.
My lips
So I
are
cut
dry.
first. In case.
Damn. Look at that 4-hour candle.
Yeah, but it's trying to break the 78.6, but now I think it should be fine already.
Wait, what time is it now?
Half an hour before 4-hour close.
I think it's just a matter of seeing if there's a wick or if it's gonna break the high.
Alexi, did you enter that track?
No, I was in the shower, but I knew it was gonna happen.
But he took something else, right, Alexi? He took...
I'm in on EA from Friday. The bitch
Damn.
almost killed me.
Wow!
Damn. Bruh, 3R. Ding ding ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
No, it came back down. I go now. My knee hurt.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys. I'm gonna
Bye,
monitor.
don't come back.
So needy this one. He said
Honestly, how
bye to
many
us like 10 times already.
times already?
Yeah, be like Mesa, just go.
Oh, thanks. Did someone actually ask why do we buy low?
Yeah, just now. I had a very long conversation.
Stop drinking.
Bruh, throat pain.
Buy what is it called? Strap seals.
Nah. I don't like strepsils. They make my tongue numb.
Oh, do you still have 7-Eleven there?
Yeah.
Bro, it closed in Indonesia.
Huh?
Did I say that?
Serious?
Yeah, they closed. Yeah, they closed.
How come?
No, I don't think that's. I don't see. I don't
Maybe
think
they
they are
got.
so that popular. And you know that in Singapore, yeah, 7-Eleven have so many like snacks,
Mm.
and we don't have it in Indonesia. It's
That
like
was in the 7-Eleven.
just little snacks, and then they just sell, cigarettes and all the other stuff.
Damn.
It's just the place where people just sit and drink coffee,
Oh.
smoking outside.
E.
But we also have Lawson. Yeah.
Oh, Lawson is nice. Lawson got a lot of nice snacks. Especially in
So I
Taiwan.
think they beat 7-Eleven.
Probably. 7-Eleven is from Hong Kong, I think.
Is it?
If I'm not wrong. Where was 7-Eleven from? No, it's a US company, my bad. Damn, now I don't see 7-Eleven in the US.
Not that popular, maybe.
Yeah.
They have a lot, bro. If you see their chart, it's so funny.
Their chart.
When you send,
Oh, the risk was like so negative. My god. Allergic reaction. Look at the current trade.
like, I don't see why do they not take an action or something. Like they know it's gonna come up, right? But it's above. They write it themselves.
Mm.
Oh my god.
No trade range, I think. It's really no trade range. There's two. One. And then the second one. Here. That's why I think. Oh, no more stream. People are gonna flock. They're coming over. Watch my view count. The stream ended.
L, it's respected my 78.60 really well.
Where's your 78? Mine broke eh. Maybe I draw wrongly.
No, the place we bought.
Oh, this one, right? Yeah.
I just realized.
Yeah, the second week down is like how, remember how that time you were telling me to wait? I think it was, wait, give me a second. This 4-hour area here. Yeah, this one. Remember how you said it has to go up past the 4-hour, then come down again? This thing did it also. It broke below the previous 4-hour, grabbed liquidity, still closed bullish after that. So that was the longs. Now, it's the same thing with all these also. Broke the 4-hour, grabbed liquidity, came back down.
Yeah.
And I think all these levels that you drew at that point in time, it was also 78, I think.
Maybe I didn't really put attention with Fibonacci.
Just do it at a wave. But this one is still like impulsive. It doesn't look like it's stopping. Not yet anyway. Because I think like there is a possibility that yes, if the 4-hour closes, the next one might make a wick down. But so far, I just looking at the 1 hour, it's like still higher low, so I left my stop loss at BE.
Yeah, it can also still like go down here and then continue up.
Go
Keeping
down.
the 1 hour structure. Only like slight wick and then continue higher.
Yeah.
But this is what I mean, like a lot of possibility, but in any ways you're already in. Then you just need to manage the position.
Yeah. I'm waiting to take half off. It's like about to hit already.
Oh, hit, blow on it.
So loud.
Do you not have any strepsils out?
I have lozenges, but I hate it. You know, every time you eat lozenge, then your whole tongue like feels so weird.
Yeah, but a bit of sacrifice to make you feel better, no?
But it doesn't hurt. It's just super itchy. That's when I know I'm coming out with a cough, not a sore throat. Yeah, I have there's different kind of sore throat pain.
Oh, alright. Expert.
That's how many times I've gotten my sore throat.
It's Andy's fault. Keeps telling you to moan. Apparently there's a heat wave this weekend, Andy.
Yeah, I'm getting my fans ready.
After snowing today, heat wave. What?
I will not open my mic in the summer because the noise will be crazy.
Yeah, fans everywhere. Come on, GJ, hit her TP. It's so close, L. يلا.
I'm gonna go off at the 4 close. So if anyone has questions, please send them in the chat. Let's see. I think as long as gold respects these lows here and forms a new support over at this area, it should continue up. It's still bullish on gold. Look at what operator sent. Look at these instructions. Damn. Yeah, I took my partial profits already. When it was near the 4-hour resistance, I closed half.
Yes.
I realized I was muted when I was speaking.
It's alright. Nice, nice, nice.
So weak.
Bruh, I not swing trader, I day trader. I don't have your skill, bro.
No.
Teach me.
Ooh, we break 4 hours high.
Yeah. There's some... Today's on the news front is very clear. Today looks like a good day. Nothing disruptive.
Now they start to buy.
Yeah. Mesa, why you tell lies?
What lies lah? No, actually our neighbor thought I was Victoria's daughter.
Oh my god. How?
It's not the first time as well.
How?
I don't know.
One is blonde.
Who's blonde?
Right? Is Victoria
Who's
blonde?
blonde?
Like,
No, she's not.
No.
no?
She's not. Even Andy asked me if Victoria is from Lebanon or something. She's not blonde.
No, she doesn't even have British face, to
No.
be honest.
No, only her eyes. A little
Oh.
bit.
Teacher,
And her
please.
accent, of course.
I sent you a picture already lah.
No, send again.
No, I don't trust you this time.
Oh, I have, if you want.
Okay.
Hey, Andy, you have? I have a lot of things, Andy.
Okay, okay. I stay chill.
No,
Can't do anything.
love you, Andy.
Being threatened.
I always thought she was blonde.
No,
Why,
no,
ah?
no.
Maybe you saw her without glasses in the time.
Wow, I want to eat fried kway teow. I don't know where it is.
This is. You said this one looks. What? I don't know what you. I don't know what you're doing.
No, I don't have the photo already.
But is she older than you, Misa?
Yeah.
1 year, 2 years?
5 years.
And he broke the high, but he's struggling to close above it.
Yeah, because the next one is 4 hours close. But you got my point, right? Like, if you bought from down there,
Yes.
like, you less care about what's gonna happen.
Yeah, because I'll be trading this range. Here, this area here.
Yeah.
Then anything above is like bonus. That's the way I see it. That's why I took some here. How did you
How
manage
big
your
is-
trade?
Just let it run.
Your stop loss? B.
B. How big is what is the RR there?
2. Where I secured, is it? 2.
Hmm. It's now we broke the 4 hours high. So I would see if we're gonna respect the previous daily high.
Now it looks like it's trying to fill this daily wick already. But the daily is still bullish. But daily is nothing because daily is still open. Let's see. I don't need all this. Oops. Really? I really thought. Why ah?
I don't
Was
know.
there-
You had different eyes then. I don't know.
Damn. Okay, then yes, I can get why your neighbor would say that.
Oh.
Oh wait. Did you just mean that she looks old?
No, I didn't say. Fuck off, Andy. Don't be like her.
I'm not scared. I'm not scared.
No, I mean, Elle said that your neighbor was correct.
That
No,
means-
because we look a bit like each other. That's what she means. Like the features are a bit like dark features.
Hmm.
She didn't say she's old.
Gotcha.
Stepdaughter.
Yeah.
Do I combine fundamentals with my trading strategy? Nope. I don't really care for fundamentals. I just avoid it. Because I'm not. Headache. Understanding all these things, honestly, not my strong suit. I can read the price action. But if I know I'm entering before high impact news, then I just don't take the trade. Things aren't working for you anymore. I think you gotta find out what's wrong with the entries. And the workplace is clearly not helping. Like I think I told you before when you asked me. Okay, for that place is very stressful. There's no point working there. Yeah, Aiden is right. You need to backtest and I think basically understand what's your strategy. You can send your charts, I can try to help you see what's wrong. Why don't I care? It's not that I don't care about it. I just don't analyze it so in depth to understand where price is going. Because I'm more of a technical trader. Because with news, right, you can guess the direction, but it might not give you that direction. Because it's all probabilities. No one knows how the news will come out. So I am not strong in this. I just stay away from it. Yeah, Heisenberg. I'm going off. I'm going off soon also. Just want to see how this 4 hour closes. The next one should come down a little bit. Make a lower wick, but still respect this low. Then after that, we'll continue up towards this daily high here. Andy. Who is Monster? Hello, side. Wilson. Wilson, is that you? You always lose when you trade alone, but different when you follow me. Yeah, because you might not have a plan. Like I have a plan when I take my trades. Hardy. Don't just copy blindly though. You gotta understand why I took the trade.
Oh, wow, baller.
My god, I'm dying. Okay, friends, I'm gonna go off. 4 hour broke the high. Close strong bullish. So we should be going up to fill the daily wick. And then if price wants to continue higher, on the 1 hour it should continue making higher lows. Right, so whoever's in the trade, just manage accordingly. He's still bullish for the time being. Right, see you all tomorrow.
Hold on.
What? Andy, are you having fun?
Okay, done.
Bruh.
Oh, look at how many people.